Those who are for the bill say it is just codifying into law judicial precedents when it comes to qualified immunity. But those who are against it fear that it is expanding that immunity. HB 2 would lay out into state law what is already applied by judges in cases brought against law enforcement officers. This bill would take out the wiggle room for judges of when they apply immunity to officers and lay out stricter guidelines.
This bill protects an officer who makes the right call when he's placed in harm's way, reasonable decisions. It does not protect a bad officer or a bad actor.
Some fear the language of the bill would expand the immunity for officers to protect them against negligence, outrageous, and malicious behavior. State Representative Edmund Jordan, who has brought a bill in the past to limit qualified immunity, says a few exceptions in the bill that would prevent an officer from getting immunity are not broad enough to match current judicial policy.
And if something that an officer does is outrageous and it violates your constitutional rights, they should not get the benefit of qualified immunity.
An amendment was brought to ensure officers have a duty to drive with regard to safety for those around them. But it does not explicitly say a case can be brought against an officer who causes a major crash, like what happened in Jordan's district where 2 girls were killed in a police chase. Jordan says that he wants to work on tightening up the amendment when it comes to officers driving. The bill now heads to the full Senate for further votes. For your local election headquarters, I'm Shannon Hecht.